everybody, it's Pixel, and a fun little recipe today is going to be Mummy's Pigs in a Blanket. It's pretty going to be fun for any Halloween lunch or party or even the kids. So for that I'm going to need a pack of hot dogs, a pack of crescent rolls, a tablespoon of tomato paste, about 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1/4 of a cup of diced up pickles or dill relish, a half a cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of dill, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Alright, well this should be fun, so let's go. And of course making the actual Mummy hot dogs will be easy. We'll just take a hot dog, and instead of wrapping the crescent roll around as normal, you make it in little strips like a mummy. It's just a fun little twist up on making pigs in a blanket. But sometimes fun little twist ups is all it takes. Put it up here. And I'll continue with the crescent rolls. And our mummies are going to go into the oven that was preheated at 350 for the next 15 to 20 minutes. While the little mummies are cooking away, we're going to make a fun special sauce to go with them. Have our half a cup of mayonnaise. The mustard and tomato paste. The relish. And the spices that we talked about earlier. This is going to get thoroughly mixed together. And then all we have to do is wait for our little mummy pigs in the blanket to cook up. There we go. Alright, our little pigs in a blanket are done. They look cute. Maybe they should stand for some googly eyes or something in the future. But let's try them on out. Well, I gotta say this sauce really kind of kicks it up a notch. These are good. Ketchup and everything that you grew up eating them in, but I really like this sauce. It's not too sour, it's not too sweet. I was a little worried about the tomato paste shining through, but it doesn't, and that's good. As far as the pigs in the blanket, well, they're like any other pigs in the blanket, but sometimes the simple, dumb things are what you want to eat. These are actually really cute little addition to any Halloween party, and the sauce, you could make that all year round for things. It might even be good on burgers or something. Or even just normal hot dogs in a bun. That'd be fun. Alrighty, well I hope you have a happy Halloween, and I will see you guys in our next video.